How to find your Koho email address. Follow my instructions. If you can't remember the email linked to your Koho account, don't worry. You can check it from the app or recover it using Koho support. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Koho app on your phone. Log in with your PIN, password, or biometric authentication. From the home screen, tap the profile icon or account tab. Look for personal information or profile settings. You should see your registered email address listed there. Make a note of it for future use. If you can't log into the app, go to koho.ca on a browser. Tap Login and choose Forgot Email, if available. Otherwise, contact Koho support directly via chat or email. Koho may ask for verification details like your name, phone number, and ID. Once confirmed, they will provide the email link to your account. This ensures your account stays secure while helping you regain access. That's how to find your Koho email address and recover access to your account. Thanks for watching.